back to my channel. I hope you guys are going well, and if you are new to my channel then मेरे channel को subscribe करना मत भूलना because it really means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. So in this video I am going to create a look which is inspired from Jhanvi Kapoor, as she has been the face of Nykaa, and Nykaa is one of my favorite brand. I always purchase beauty products from Nykaa, and this is my favorite online store. So I just tried to copy her look. Actually, I was just planning to make a tutorial as it has been a long time since I have uploaded a makeup tutorial. So I just went for that and I thought of creating her look. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. So I'm starting my tutorial with this primer which is from COLORBAR, just to cover all those pores and just to cover those texture from my face. This is a very nice kind of primer. Now for foundation, I'm using here my favorite L'Oreal Infallible foundation. It is in the shade 109. This is my favorite foundation, and if you're having oily skin then you can go blindly on this foundation. It has a very nice coverage also, and I'm just blending here with the help of this pack brush. And just to highlight the center of my face, I'm using here Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is a really nice kind of concealer which will instantly brighten up your face, and it has a yellow undertone which suits all Indian skin tone. And I'm setting my concealer and my foundation with the help of this luxury banana powder from Makeup Revolution. For my eyeshadow, I'm using a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and with the help of this spacious brush which I somehow love for my eyebrows, I'm just filling my eyebrows. And to contour my chubby cheeks, I'm using here LA Girl Pro Concealer, it is in shade Fawn. I'm blending with the help of this Real Technique brush. I have not watched that Darak movie, guys. If you have watched, just tell me how was the movie. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using here the same very palette from Makeup Revolution, and slowly I'm building up the colors. I'm just blending properly in my crease. For my inner corners, I'm using here Pack Mono eyeshadow in the shade Pink. Sorry, I missed the clip somehow. So I'm just blending it properly. And for my eyeliner, I'm using here Sugar I Told You So, just to give a simple depth to my eyes, just to provide a little bit more depth, and just to copy the look of Jhanvi Kapoor, I'm just adding a little bit more depth. And I'm adding the blush which is from Maybelline Cheeky Glow, and it is in the shade Peachy Sweetie. And just for highlighting, I'm using here the Miss Clear Shimmer Bricks, and I lost the footage somehow. And for my lipstick, I'm using here Wet n Wild Catsuit Matte Lipstick in the shade Barely Recognize.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I breathe.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then, take care guys. I will see you guys in the next one.